Hello students, Hemant Sir is here. I am your science teacher, as you know that. We have started the 15th chapter, which is the light. Is it? Yes. So in light, we have already covered how the light is being transmitted from one place to another, and how that it propagates. Okay, so we have already gone through about the propagation of light. So today we are going to discuss about the mirror. Okay, the plane mirror we are going to discuss about. So what is plane mirror? Do you have any idea about it? No? Okay. So plane mirror is nothing but a plain piece of glass which is painted by the reflective surface like silver or maybe some other material which can reflect large amount of light from another surface. Okay. That particular piece of glass which is made for the reflection of light is called as a mirror. It's called as a mirror, and we are using mirror to see ourselves and different objects. Okay, so now let's discuss about what is mirror and how image are formed. Okay, and we will discuss about the nature of the image which is formed by the plane mirror. Okay, so let me share the screen, then we will discuss in detail. Yes, so here we have the plane mirror. As you can see, one of the cartoon boy which is observing himself in a mirror. Okay, so we will discuss about the object and image later on. First, let's discuss about what is mirror. Okay, so we have first the definition. Okay, what is the mirror? The flat surface that produce an erect. Erect means the the image which is on the above the x-axis is called as erect bit. ठीक है, जिसको हम खड़ी इमेज कहते हैं. Okay, of the real object where the front and back are reversed or left hand or right hand side be reverse हो जाते हैं, which is also called as inversion in configuration of the mirror, image and object. Okay, which is formed by the plane mirror. An image formed by the plane mirror has the following characteristics. Okay, see what are the characteristics we have here. Okay, so I hope you have understood what is the plane mirror. It is nothing but the piece of glass. Nowadays, that mirror are formed of that plastics also. Okay, that's why we have not mentioned here, which is a piece of glass. Okay, so any surface which can reflect large amount of light where we can observe images. Okay, that will be act as a plane mirror. Okay, okay, so it forms the erect visual image of the real object where front and back are the reverse. Front side and back side are reverse, whereas left hand side and right hand side, okay, they are also get reversed. And this phenomenon is called as beta inversion in configuration. Okay, so plane mirror forms the virtual and erect image. Virtual image is that image that we cannot project image on the screen. Such images are called as beta virtual image, and almost like all the time they formed behind the mirror. They form behind the mirror. Okay, see here, second point we have the image formed by the plane mirror is behind the mirror, which is the position. The size of the image is always equal to the size of object. Whatever the size we have of the image, the object size will be the same. Okay, or we have any size of the object whose image is going to be formed with the same height, same length, etc. Okay, that means there is no only the inversion in configuration takes place. Okay, yeah. Laterally inverted image. Image is the left hand side visible on the right hand side. It is called as inverted image or inversion in configuration. The distance of the image behind the mirror is same as the distance of the object in front of the mirror. Means the distance from mirror to the object is always equal to the distance from mirror to the image. Okay, that will be always same. The image formed by the plane mirror is always virtual beta. Virtual means what? Meaning that cannot, that can, where? Yeah. So, which means that the light ray do not actually come from the image. Okay. They just appear, they are coming from the image. That's all. Okay. Then upright is nothing but the erect. Okay, and the same shape and same size of the object, okay, which is right in front of the mirror. So there is the very less difference takes place in image and object. Yeah, a virtual image is a copy of the object image because it looks very similar. Okay, and the location from which the light ray appears to the come. Okay, that means how, like, long distance any person like stand in front of the mirror, then image will form behind the mirror at the same distance. Okay, so these are the very important points that we have discussed here about the plane mirror. Okay, let's discuss about more about the plane mirror. Okay, so plane mirror and image formed by the most common mirror are flat and called as beta plane mirror. What are plane mirror? Mirror which have their surface flat are called as beta plane mirror. These mirror are made up by putting a thin layer of silver nitrate. See, you have to remember that. Okay, a thin layer of silver nitrate and aluminum. Okay, which is painted behind the flat piece of the glass, and then the opposite piece, which is called as reflected piece, piece of the glass, which reflects more light. Okay, when you place an object in front of the mirror and see in the mirror, you will see object which is found behind the mirror. Okay, so image of the same object in the same mirror. So if the object and image will be have the same size, it depends on the mirror. Okay, so properties of the image formed by the plane mirror, that we already gone through that, but here I am going to discuss about the laterally inverted image. Okay, so the size of the image is same as the size of the object. The distance between the image obtained, okay, and image are from the distance will be the same. Okay, it is not going to change. Okay, so like how far the object right in front of the mirror, then its image is going to form at the same distance behind the mirror. Okay, student, so this is all about the plane mirror. Okay, so here we have one object. Okay, and from here light is coming and the incidenting on that peak. Okay, and after reflection of the light, they reaches on the mirror back, and their image is formed over here. Okay, image is formed over here. So the image formed by the the plane mirror, which is the invert and virtual and inverse in configuration. Okay, so I want everyone to take a screenshot for that. Take a screenshot for that also, better, that we discussed now. Okay, yeah. So you have to write all the question, like whatever the point I have given here, you have to write on your notebook, and do like the video and do comment if any, if you do find the video is nice, then do comment on the video better. Okay, so here we are going to complete our today's session. We'll meet in next class. Okay, have a nice time. Bye bye.